Never driven a diesel, right?
Nope.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now we are on our way to Southern Showstopper's house, also known as Alex. That's his real name. A lot of people know him through his Instagram tag, which is Southern Showstopper. We're gonna experiment some powder coating stuff. I did just get new powder coat gun from Eastwood, so we're gonna test that out because he's got an oven that we can use. So we're gonna do it at his house. Also, if he does have like some sort of heat lamp or anything like that, I do want to test out the theory of using a heat lamp to powder coat your stuff. We may try to do that, but for this video, I had an idea. Last time I hung out with him, I found out that he's never driven a diesel before. Definitely not a tuned and deleted one. So I'm about to go to his house. We're gonna get something to eat. I might let him drive this truck, see how he likes a tuned and deleted truck. This video I asked you guys where you guys were from, and oh my gosh, you guys killed it. My comment section is like flooded, and I thank you guys so much for like all participating and stuff. So I want to thank you guys all for participating in that little experiment that I did. So basically what I want you guys to do this time is I want you to comment and let me know what you guys drive, because I want to know how many of you guys actually drive, like have a Duramax, or if you even have like a GMC or a Chevy. Do a lot of you guys have Fords or Rams? I mean, that's the stuff I'm curious. Leave a comment below if you actually do have a Duramax, or if you have like a gas vehicle, or if you have a different diesel. So let me know in the comments below and blow this one up too. All right, so I think I had the tunes flash to like economy mode or something like that when I drove to Daytona about 2 months ago, I don't know when it was. But when I drove to Daytona, I just wanted to get better fuel mileage, so I changed the tune, and I don't have DSP5 switch on here, so I gotta reflash the tune every time I want to change it. And also, I do not have EasyLink. I still have the old school AutoCal, so we're gonna go ahead and flash it with the tune. Oh, we're gonna flash it with the AutoCal. The race tune. Checking. Error. I think with the LML it's program cal. Then we're gonna do race tune. Checking. Flashing. There we go. Never driven a diesel, right?
Nope. Hell yeah.
We'll do it for a video.
Hell yeah.
Hey, it's on race tune now. I just swapped it out.
Let me my wallet real quick.
All right.
You can make me want to go to Master after this.
I know, right? I mean, this truck's for sale.
Yeah. Did you ever have steps on it?
No, I mean I had the factory steps, but oh yeah, that key is a little janky. That's my spare key. There you go. Heck yeah. Only thing is, I know you got a pedal commander on yours, so your throttle is gonna be a lot more responsive on your gas truck. But this truck, I mean, I think it's pretty quick. Okay. But we'll get your full honest opinion on what you think of tuned and deleted Duramax. Never driven a Duramax, and you get to drive a tuned and deleted one for the first time.
Yep. Drove a Cummins for a test drive, but of course I had someone with me and I couldn't do anything.
Right.
I will say for a truck being up this high, the steering's pretty tight.
Oh yeah, it's got all the new like the Cognito support kit, heavy duty tie rods, and the whole 9 yards. You like the turbo?
Yeah. It'd be windows down 24/7.
Oh heck yeah! Dude, I don't even listen to the radio half the time. That turbo is addicting, especially like right now when it's like 60 degrees. Perfect. Like the turbo spools up so nicely. I mean, we're just driving in the neighborhood, so you really can't really tell like the power difference.
Yeah.
I bet your throttle responsive is a lot better though, because that
It is.
pedal commander. Also, you gotta wait for the boost to build up on
give
these.
and take though on gas versus diesel anyway.
True. I heard putting a pedal commander on these makes a huge difference
really?
too. Yeah.
They're so easy to put on.
Yeah, I just heard that these newer GMCs, there's that little.
Yeah,
like
anything after 07.
Right.
Damn. What? It's a lot nicer than mine.
What do you mean?
Like just the power you can, like even though I'm not giving it much, you can just feel that there's a lot there.
Yeah. Send it a little bit. It shifts better whenever I have that in.
This has been nice to drive down to Daytona.
The what?
This has been nice to drive to Daytona.
Right, just hearing that turbo everywhere. I mean, that's all you heard in Daytona, just turbo left and right.
Oh, yeah.
I just saw a red 2020 High Country.
Oh, yeah, the one that passed.
I mean, what are your thoughts so far? Just
Mine's for sale.
yours is for sale. I guess mine's sold.
What color are you going for?
I'm gonna get either that blue metallic gray or whatever, or silver, or possibly even red, or even that blue.
I say I like the red.
There's so many white ones for sale, but I definitely don't want to buy a white
I don't
one.
want another white one.
I don't want to get another black one either, because it'll be too similar to this truck.
Yeah.
I gotta make it a little different. You can kind of get on it when we turn out.
Okay.
Make it roll some coal. There's a cop right there, but he's leaving.
See, I never even get on my trucks. There's no reason to.
Yeah. I drive like a grandpa. I don't get on it.
I noticed that the other day, coming home from when you were working.
Yeah.
I was like, is he gonna catch up to me or not?
No, but if I get that. Oh, you could have gone on it a little bit more.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, but if I get that L5P, I think I'm gonna dog it a little bit.
I mean, it seems like these can take it.
Oh yeah. Like that was nothing. You'll hear it when you get on it.
Okay. Your girlfriend drive this one?
I think I let her drive it like twice.
Was she the same way I am, like not wanting to do much?
Yeah. She's scared. She likes driving it though, but she doesn't want to get on it. But I'm like you too. Like I couldn't get on. And somebody
It's
like
because it's someone else's truck.
right. Like I drove Jared's truck, and he said I could get on it, but I just didn't want to.
Yeah.
Or just get on it. Wouldn't say launch it. Because I'm not comfortable. So how different is this truck compared to yours?
Power difference is 0 to 100. And then of course being a heavy duty, it's going to be a lot stiffer, but that's what this give and take.
Right.
Steering is just as tight. So if you're looking for power, go diesel. If you're looking for ride quality and leisure, go gas. I mean, and whatever your daily needs are.
True. I mean, like, so in terms of driving it, you like the power?
Yeah. I would give up the little bit of ride quality for the power.
And the sound?
Yes.
And the turbo. Your truck tuned or anything?
Yeah, it's got the Diablo Sport tuner,
Okay.
cold air intake, and then just the Borla catback exhaust.
Man, I wish you could have driven like a stock Duramax.
Yeah.
Shit, we could go test drive a stock Duramax after this. Just so that way you can feel the difference. Because when you go from a stock Duramax to tuning it, dude, it's like so different. It's like night and day difference. Like, were you able to tell a huge difference when you tuned yours?
A little bit, mainly miles for the gas mileage.
Okay. But not really like the horsepower?
not too much. I mean, like I said, I don't get on it that much too.
Right.
I mean, maybe if I dogged it out prior and then after, I might notice a difference, but not with just daily driving it. Pedal commander, like if I'm going to pass somebody on like a back road,
Yeah.
it really gets on it a lot more.
Really? See, I want to get one, but I'll probably get one on my new truck. This truck is for sale as is. I'm not adding any more to it because I'm not going to get anything out of it.
It's worth it as is.
Right? I mean, it's got CP3 swap, it's got air dog, and I drive like a grandpa. I take care of my stuff.
So that's right, I did drive a stock Duramax. But
Oh, you did
like
drive
I
a stock
said,
Duramax?
someone's with me. And then I got in mine, and since I didn't really get on it, I
Right.
was like, oh, these are about the same. They feel the same.
Yeah.
And I was looking at the 17 Denali, and they wanted maybe 65, 70 for it.
Brand new.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I looked at mine, since I had the all-terrain package, it was 60. I was like, I could have spent 5 and not had had a Denali and had a diesel.
True. Dang, your truck was 60,000 brand new, and you pay 60,000?
55.
55. Okay. Yeah, I mean, if you drive a stock Duramax though, compared to like a gas truck, I don't think you can really tell that much of a difference.
That's why I got the gas truck.
Because I mean, yeah, you can tell a difference when you're towing, but just in terms of just like driving around the city and stuff, you can't really tell. But once you tune and delete those, oh my god, it's a whole different
It was a
ballgame.
17.
I mean, it's a $60,000 truck, $65,000 truck, but you pay $5,000 to tune and delete it. It's probably more like $8,000 because you have to pay labor. But this truck, it's only about like $2,000 to tune and delete it.
Really?
Yeah, these are a lot cheaper. Because on the newer ones, you have to like swap out the ECM and all that.
Ooh, it's up there. Putting any different ECM on a truck's gonna be expensive.
Oh yeah. And they have it pretty much locked down. You have to swap the ECM out, and you have to buy credits to buy your tunes. It's pretty ridiculous.
Is that through GM?
No, that's through HP Tuners.
Okay.
It's like a tuning company.